Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Azam Safir Fajrianto. You can call me Azam. I'm from 3A. Now, I want to tell you about my future dream. When I grow up, I want to become an engineer. Do you know what an engineer is? Engineer is a person who designs, builds, maintains engines, machine, or public work. Why I want to become an engineer? It's because I like to design something, especially something modern, like buildings, cars, and many more. It is so interesting because I can grow, imagine, and design something new. As an engineer, I'm able to develop my idea, imagination, and innovation through drawing and designing. To achieve my dream, I need to study hard, discipline, and pray to Allah. Hope I can join favorite university that teaches engineering, such as ITB at Bandung and MIT at USA. As an engineer, I hope I can give contribution to change Indonesia into a modern and beautiful country. Someday I would like to make my parents and my country proud of my design. I hope Allah make my dream come true. Hello, my name is Aksara. I am 8 years old and now I am in third grade. Today I want to show you my dream job when I grow up. My dream job is to become an astronaut because when I was 5 years old, my mom bought me a book about stars, planets, and the universe. I got really curious about galaxy, the universe, and planet and star. I love it so much. My mom almost read it to me every day. I also like to watch about space and astronaut life on YouTube. The astronaut work in the ISS. Their main job is to track space objects and research new stars and planets. Right now they are trying to find planet that can support human life. They also maintain and operate satellites because satellites are very important in our modern day. Before going to the ISS, astronauts have to complete some training in NASA HQ. Some training will be done in vacuum chamber so that they can try to live without gravity. My big dream is to go to Harvard or MIT and major in astrophysics. If one day I achieve my dream, I want to step foot on Mars and explore the galaxy and build the first city there. Assalamualaikum, my name is Sami Sofyan. Call me Sami. If I grown up, I want to be Ustad and teach my students. And I will start teaching from Iqra to Al-Quran. I want to teach in mostly spread a goodness and helping a poor person and everyone who needs help. I want to be Ustad because he is a good man, like Ustad Khalid Basalamah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Fatan and I'm from 3A. I wanna be a doctor because I love my mom. I like my mother profession. Sometimes I follow my mom go to the hospital to practice, and sometimes I follow my mom to operation. I am so proud with my mom when the patient come to her with the blind, but after my mom do surgery, they can see again and can read Al-Quran, can do their activity. That's why I want to be a doctor. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Hamza. I am Jakarta Islamic School student, class 3A. My future dream is being YouTuber. My parents say it's okay to be YouTuber, but make a helpful content.
Assalamualaikum. Hello, my name is Eridani Ramadan Haris. I am grade 3 student in Jakarta Islamic School. I am 9 years old. Now I will tell you my future dream and what I want to be. I hope in the future being a YouTuber or an influencer is cool. Be a YouTuber, I must have an experience in front of the camera and talk with announcements. So I must try it. Okay, that's all from my story. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Kanaya First Putri. You can call me Kanaya. Now I'm gonna talk about my future dream. I have so many dreams for my future, but now I'm gonna talk about one of my future dreams. I wanna be a doctor because I wanna take away pain and suffering from other people by giving them medical treatment and healthcare. As a doctor, I can make people and their families happy. If we give happiness to others, we become the happiest person at the moment. I want to take care of my parents when they're getting old and sick, and I will always beside them when they need me. I hope I can reach my dream and I can be useful for others. Okay, thank you for listening my story.
My name is Jasmine and I am from 3A. Today I will tell you about my future dream. My future dream is to become a drawing artist. I like drawing because it brings me joy and makes me happy. This is my notebook. This is my sketchbook that my father bought me. Inside are my drawings. And there are other drawings too, but I can't bring them. And I hope someday I will become a drawing artist, a famous drawing artist in Indonesia. Thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum, hi teacher and friends. My name is Manara Laya. So today I'm gonna talk about my future dream. When I grow up, I have a goal to be a professional comedian. Why I choose this job? Because even now I already can make some jokes that are funny to my family. So now telling jokes is also my hobby. I think making jokes is also teach me to be creative in ideas. My comedy or jokes will be positive, educative, and informative. I love to making people happy and entertaining them. Bye. Wassalamualaikum.
My name is Danisha. I want to be a teacher because I love to teaching students some new things. I want to be an English teacher. I love English. I love teaching English because it's very fun. I want to teach the student some new things like where and how and they and he and she. Because my dad always want me to be a teacher. He said he will be brave if I will be the teacher. Because my dad's job is architect, but he wanted to be a teacher. Then he told me to be a teacher because I am kind and soft. I love my dad, so I will be teacher because my dad told me I have to be a teacher. So I will be a teacher and I will be a kind teacher. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum. Hi my friend, my name is Azmi Shamsa. I am student at Jakarta Islamic School Grade 3. I will tell you about my future dream. First, I will tell you about my hobbies.
I have so many hobbies, like watching movies, play dance, sport like swimming and cycling, and I also like study ICT. I do those hobbies right after I finish the school activity and the weekend. From those hobbies, sometimes I imagine what will I be on my future. I have so many dreams with my future from my hobbies. My hobbies, if I do it facially, maybe I can be dancer and athlete, or a content creator. But deep inside, if I study hard and focus on my hobbies, maybe I can be a teacher who teach dance, sport, or how to become a good content creator. So many dreams and future now. I am still young and I am trying to look after the dreams of my future. I will try to study hard and make my hobbies do seriously. I can choose my best dream of my future. Here my costume today, teacher costume. I hope someday I can be good teacher at so many my hobby about. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, my old friend and my old teacher. My name is Awena Tahira. I'm from class 3A. Today I want to tell a story about my future dream. My future dream is to be a doctor like my mom, especially be a pediatrician. Why do I want to be a pediatrician? Because I like children, and to be a pediatrician, I can make children healthy and healing a sick children from diseases, such as fever, cold, and cough. Become a pediatrician is not easy. We have to be smart and diligent. My father said, if we can memorize 30 of juz in Quran, we can accept all jobs like firefighter, policeman, and doctor. That's why we have to be able to memorize 30 of juz in Quran and study hard.
Hello, my name is Maisha. I am from 3A. Now I will tell you my future dream. I want to be a dentist like my mom do. My mom said to be a dentist has to work and pray hard because the school is longer than other dentistry. There are much specialization and I will take specialist pedodontia that can nurse to the children. Hopefully Allah bless my pray so someday I can be a dentist like my mom.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Arfani Fari from 3A. When I grow up, I want to be a gamer. Because when I become a gamer, I have my own money.
and I can buy anything with my own money. If I want to be a gamer, I have to be a pro player in game. Alhamdulillah.